Do you taste the chili?
Yeah, everything. Okay, let's see. We went to Powerfood, which is located in Triolet. Location is in the description. The place is very nice, relaxing, and it has a very good vibe. It's ideal for a remote workplace. It's not the usual business. They are concentrated on quality, not quantity. And they offer the usual food on a healthy way. Okay, can we get a dosa?
This is our Chennai Masala Dosa. Inside we put onion, tomato, potato curry, peanuts also. It's our tomato chutney. We put inside garlic.
Let's get it tasted. That's my first Chennai Masala Dosa. Let's give it a try. That's really nice.
And it's finished. Do you like it?
Yeah. It's very nice.
Tamarind and chili.
Thank you.
So, two giant samosa, tamarind sauce and chili. That's hot.
Best samosa ever.
Yeah. It's all mine.
Sorry.
Yeah, kurma and tamarind. Both. It's a mango flavor.
So that's mango sorbet with tamarind sauce and salt and chili sprinkles on it. That's nice. It's really, really
Do you
good.
taste the chili?
Yeah, everything. It was really nice.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes, it was very nice.
Thank you so much. See you soon and hope you like everything.
Yeah,
and you come
will
back.
come back.
Thank you. Video back.
Have a nice day.
You.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.